Welcome back to Learn with Dimple. Today I'm going to show you how to use QuillBot. QuillBot, an amazing online tool for paraphrasing, improving writing and even helping with grammar correction. So if you are a teacher, a student, a content creator or blogger, this tool will save your time and improve your writing quality. So let's begin. So first of all, in your web browser, you will type QuillBot.com. So after that, you can log in with your email ID, and after then it will show you this screen. So when I will click on Paraphraser, it will show me these two boxes, left side box and right side box. So whatever changes, text you want to change, you have to paste it here, or you can type it here by yourself also. Like I'm writing, hi, let's go for a walk. So if I will click on paraphrase, on the right side you will see a new version of your sentence rewritten in different way but with the same meaning, like hello, let's go for a walk. So in the same way, there are some modes, like if you will click on standard, it will make changes to your text according to that particular mode, like standard, fluency, humanize, formal, and you can choose any of the language. Language options are also there. So now let's, in standard format, it has written, hello, let's take a stroll. So these modes help depending on what kind of tone or writing style you need. You can even adjust the synonym slider to control how much you want the sentence changed. Like from here, you can increase it to make more changes, and you can decrease it for lesser or fewer changes, you can say. So after that, we are having a grammar checker option. So in the same way, it will show you a new environment, or you can say, yes, these components are there. So here you will type your text, or you can paste text also, or you can upload your whole document which you want to check for grammar. Okay, so after uploading, it will show you the corrections which is perfect for your essay, assignments and emails. Okay, it will detect the errors and it will suggest you the corrections. So in the same way, we are having AI detector also, with by using which you can use AI detector for your to making the new text or something like that. Like here you will write, to analyze text at least 40 words should be there, and you will type it and it will detect it for you. In the same way, if you want to check your text for plagiarism, so for that also you will just type your text